Hello, everyone. In this demo, we will showcase how to detect anomalies in ECG data using OCI Anomaly Detection and ECG reports. This solution will help identify normal versus irregular heartbeats with ECG reports. We start by preparing the ECG data that contains timestamp and corresponding ECG reading. This data is then uploaded to an OCI bucket. Anomaly detection is undertaken by creating a project and then creating and training the model dataset. We use univariate anomaly detection, or UAD, to identify anomalies in a single time series data. Once model creation is complete, we review the details by clicking on the models. We then detect anomalies by uploading the sample ECG data file. Orange lines indicate the actual input value of a signal. Red lines indicate an anomaly being detected at that timestamp. Purple lines indicate the predicted value by the machine learning model. Now we can observe the estimated value versus the actual value. This can be extended to detect anomalies in various domains. Thanks for watching.